To start, I have close to a ½ pound of bacon that I roughly chopped, and I've just been cooking and rendering out the fat. At this point it's done, so I'm going to shut off the heat, and I'm just going to remove the bacon and place it on a plate with a paper towel, lined with a paper towel. Okay, so here's my bacon, and actually by the time it's all said and done, people are picking at this bacon. Who knows how much will actually go into the quiche. But I'm going to let this hang out and come to room temperature. In the meantime, I've wiped out my pan and I left 1 or 2 tablespoons of the rendered bacon fat, and now I'm going to saute half of a small onion. Okay, so here's my bacon, and I've added the onions that I sauteed to the bowl, and these are almost, they're pretty much cooled off at this point. Okay, so for the filling, I'm going to start with 5 large eggs. Some of them are already broken apart, and I'm going to give this a mix. I'm going to add some cracked black pepper, some freshly grated nutmeg, just a pinch. I'm going to give that a mix. Okay, now I'm going to add 8 fluid ounces or 1 cup of heavy cream. There we go, just like that. Okay, so here I have 1 store-bought 9-inch deep dish pie shell. It's store-bought, and I actually put it in the freezer, so this is frozen. I'm not going to blind bake it. This is why I want it frozen, so it kind of cooks evenly and it cooks through and gives everything a chance to cook together. You can blind bake your crust, but I just think this is a lot more convenient, and it works. So what I'm going to do first is add a ½ cup of shredded cheese. This is whatever cheese you want to use. If I had white cheddar cheese or sharp cheese, I would use that. This is just a blend that I found in my refrigerator. Now I'm going to add my bacon and sauteed onion. And this is why I like to call this my double onion bacon quiche, because I'm adding some scallions. This is 2 scallions, and they were small, 2 small scallions chopped, the whites and the green. So now what you'll want to do is just pour over your egg mixture. So this is going into an oven. I'm going to actually put this on a baking sheet, and this is going to cook for 45 to 55 minutes in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That is, that's 176 degrees Celsius. Okay, so my quiche is done, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I am going to let this set and cool for about an hour. My son is about to have piano lessons, so we're going to eat lunch after his lesson is over, and that'll be around the time that this is cooled off. Okay, so I have my fresh fruit. We're going to have quiche and fresh fruit for lunch. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a slice for you guys to see what it looks like. And I got this tip from one of my commenters to cut 2 slices. It makes it a lot easier to get the first slice out, so. There we go. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.